how to use Perplexity AI for YouTube scripts. In order to use Perplexity AI for YouTube scripts, you need to, first of all, open up your Perplexity app onto your device and log in. So what you want to do is you could start by using Perplexity to find trending topics or deep divine into specific facts. So you could just use the all or focus mode to find what's current. You could also ask what are the most recent controversies or breakdown breakthrough, and you could also provide a YouTube URL or paste this transcript and ask Perplexity to summarize the key points and identify the gap that your video could fill. And instead of generic summary, you could ask for a unique perspective. Next, upload any past script or transcript and analyze this text to a voice and a tone. You could use the same style for a following outline as well, and you could also use prompt like create a detailed outline for 10 minutes YouTube videos, or include the 3 main hook talking points with payoff for each and a call to action as well. You could also write a full script. You could move from an outline to a word for a word script. You could refine and finalize the content, and that is how you can use Perplexity AI for YouTube scripts. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.